very often that the Maverick has had reason to issue a public apology on national television. But after numerous reprimands in response to my column in the Gleaner today that highlighted the unpredictability of both this season's Manning and the Costa Cup, the apology becomes necessary because in suggesting that anyone of Jamaica College, St. George's College, and St. Andrew Technical can win the Manning Cup and the Olivier Shield this season, while no mention was made of the still unbeaten 100% win record defending champions Kingston College, have been under attack from every Fortis person I know, and not from me, no. Saying, how dare the Maverick declare possible winners of the Manning Cup and leave out the team with the most impressive record for the season, a team that just happens to be the defending champions. I mean, I say, yes, my bad. My sincerest apology to Fortis Nation for my disrespectful omission of the purples from my prediction. Kingston College absolutely can successfully defend their title and has as good a chance as any to win the Manning Cup and the Olivier Shield and even the Champions Cup. Yes. So my apologies, Purple Nation. But guess what, Fortis family? I was doing Casey a favor by leaving you under the radar and avoiding me goat boat from catching up. Yes. It's like how the bad beer go. Forget about the goat boat. Forget about the goat boat. Casey win Manning Cup and Olivier Shield. Yes.